In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Evernote. If you spend a lot of time in Evernote, especially at night or in low light environments, switching to dark mode can make a huge difference. It reduces eye strain, makes text easier to read in the dark, and can even feel a bit more modern and comfortable to work in. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through turning on dark mode in the Evernote web app. First, open Evernote in your web browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in and you can see your notes and notebooks, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You should see your account area there, which typically shows your profile name or initials along with your plan details. Click on that profile area. This is where your Evernote keeps most of your personal and app-related options. When you click your profile, a small menu will pop up. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will open a new panel or page where you can control how Evernote behaves for your account, including things like language, notifications, and appearance. Inside the settings area, you'll see several sections. Find and click on the section called Preferences. This is the place where Evernote groups many of your user experience options, including the theme and display settings we need to adjust for dark mode. Once you're in Preferences, look for the appearance or theme options. Depending on the version of Evernote you're using, you may see choices such as light, dark, or a system option that follows your device's theme. To enable dark mode, choose the dark option. As soon as you select it, the interface should switch from the lighter background to a darker one. Your note list, editor area, and